Did you know Reiki can actually help heal emotional wounds and improve heart health? Let's explore how this calming energy practice can truly transform your life. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Holistic Blissful Harmony, owned by Jerusha, your partner in aligned bliss of wellness. In this video, you'll learn how Reiki energy connects to your heart. You'll also see how you can start using it today for emotional wellness and inner peace. Many people carry pain in their heart, heartbreak, betrayal, loneliness. These emotional wounds block energy and keep us feeling stuck. Reiki offers a gentle, natural way to break free from this cycle and start healing. Reiki is a Japanese energy healing method. It clears blockages using your hands and intention. By gently placing hands near the heart, you let universal energy restore balance. You'll feel lighter, calmer, and more centered. Let's begin your heart healing Reiki session. Close your eyes, breathe deeply. Now visualize a golden light entering your chest, soothing all pain. Let that light expand, filling your heart, your soul, your entire being. Reiki helps release emotional pain, clear blockages, and nourish your heart. Even one session can make a difference. Your healing starts the moment you believe it's possible. If this helped you feel even 1% better, like and comment below, subscribe for more heart healing practices, and try our next video on self-love energy rituals.